Welcome to this tips and tricks video. Many users think that 3DSwym conversations is only to communicate or share files with people, but it's more than just that. 3DSwym conversation is not just another chat tool. It also allows you to effectively collaborate with your team to create a 3DSwym post. In this tips and tricks video, we'll see steps that you can follow to create a collaborative 3DSwym post. The very first step is to create a group conversation and add people who you think are required to complete the post. Once this group conversation is created, you can create a post within the conversation. Split the post into multiple segments and assign each segment to a respective member within the group by tagging that person. Please note that this post is only visible to members of this particular group conversation. Each member in the group conversation can then open the post, edit it, and then add required details for their respective segments. This way you can collaborate within the team to complete the draft of the post. When it's done, if any changes are still required, you can comment on the post and tag respective member and suggest the changes. Once changes are incorporated by a respective segment owner, you can publish the post in required community using forward option. Post is then published in the community, excluding the comments and replies that are made on the post in the group conversation. Let's now take a look at the demo video of this particular trick. You can see Scott is creating a group conversation and adding in his teammates who are required to complete this collaborative post. Once that is done, he's also naming this conversation so that everyone is aware of the context. To begin with, he is creating a post which is more of a template. He's giving a title to the post and all the relevant information from his end. Once that is done, he is creating segments within the post and assigning each segment to a respective owner so that each owner can populate or insert information in their respective segments. Once that's done, he's publishing the post so that everyone within the group conversation can access it and informing the members to update their segments. Now, Sarah, who is owner of one of the segment within the post, can get a real-time access to the post, review the post, and also edit the post in order to insert information pertaining to her segment. You can see she is inserting the information for the segment assigned to her. Once that is done, she can publish the post so that everyone can get the real-time access to the latest post. And she can also inform Scott that her segment is now complete. Similarly, John, who has been assigned a new segment, can also insert information pertaining to his segment. And once that is done, he can publish the post so that everyone gets access to the real time and the latest post. Similarly, he's also informing Scott that his task is complete and he has inserted the information. Now, Scott can review the latest post and also tweak it as he would like. And during review, if he finds out that there are few tweaks that needs to be done, in this case, you can see he's informing Sarah that a graph is missing that needs to be inserted. So he's doing it through the comments and informing Sarah to insert the graph. Now Sarah can review his comment and again edit the post to insert the graph that is requested. And once that is done, she can respond to Scott's comment saying that the graph or the tweaks that he requested is complete. Now once everything is done, Scott can perform a thorough review of the post and forward the post to a required community where it needs to be published. Once that is done, you can see a message is received where it says that the content is published to a required community. This way, Scott has collaborated with his teammate to create a collaborative post and publish it in the required community.